Hello students, in this lesson we are going to learn how to add mixed numbers or mixed fractions. So here we have an example 2 and 4/5 plus 3 and 5/6. How do we add these? Now there are two ways we can do this. The first way is to add the whole parts and then add the fraction part and then add it together. And the second way is to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction and then add them. So let's see both the ways. So in the first method, we are going to add the whole parts. Here the whole parts are 2 and 3. So first let me write this as 2 plus 4/5 plus 3 plus 5/6. Okay. Now I'm going to add the whole parts, that means 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 plus I'm left with 4/5 plus 5/6. Now I need to add these two fractions. So to add these, we see that the denominator is different. So we need to first make the denominator same. So first find out the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30 because if I do it this way to show you, it goes by 2 times 3, 3 ones and 5 ones. There are different ways you can find the LCM. I'm using the common division method. So you see 2 times 3 times 5. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So this is my LCM. And we find out the LCM to make the denominator same. Two fractions can be added only if we have the same denominator. Okay. Now what we do is we would add these two here. Draw a line here. Okay. Done. Now to add this, first let's convert the denominator to 30. Now 5 times 6 is 30. So the same number should be multiplied by the numerator plus 5 times 6. I bring the second fraction down, and 6 times 5 is 30. So multiply here also by 5. So here I would get 24 and 30 plus 25/30. Now just add 24 and 25. So that's 24 plus 25. Keep the denominator as it is. And we get 49/30. Now it's an improper fraction, so we will just convert it into a mixed fraction. To do that, we do 49 divided by 30. So that is equal to 1/19/30. Right? So here I can write as 5 plus 1 plus 19/30, and that equals to 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 19/30. So this is the answer for this question here. Okay, so this is one way of doing it, adding the wholes and then adding the fractions separately and then adding them together. Now the other way is converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then add them. So let's see how to do that, and I'm going to take the same example. So to do this, what we have to do is multiply the denominator, that is 5 by 2. You have to multiply, and then whatever answer you get, you have to add to the numerator. So it's like 5 times 2 plus 4 and the denominator remains as it is. No change in the denominator. Similarly, for the second fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number, which is 3. So it's 6 times 3 plus 5 divided by 6. So this would be 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 over 5 plus 18 plus 5, that's 23. 23 divided by 6. Now I have got two improper fractions, but the denominator is different. So the rule is we have to make the denominator same, and for that we have to find the LCM. Now we know the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30, so we're not going to find it again. Now if I want to get 30 here, what I have to do is multiply this by 6, 6 times 5, and this by 6. Similarly here I have to multiply by 5 and here also by 5. Okay, 14 times 6 is how much? 6 4s are 24 to 84. 84 by 30 plus 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over, 5 2s are 10, 11. Now I got the same denominator, so just add up the numerator. That is 84 plus 115 by 30, right? So 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 199 by 30. Now I have got an improper fraction, so I will convert this into a mixed fraction. To do that, I will divide 30 times 6 is 180, 19. So that means this can be written as 619 by 30. 6 and 19 over 30. So this is the solution that we got, and it's the same as our previous solution. See here. So either you can do it the first way or the second way as per your convenience. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.